Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix problem when you get internet connection but you cannot log into your Google Play Store. Or browse Google Chrome. On your OPPO Reno 7. So in order to do that, we'll need to go to our settings, scroll down, find system settings, and here go to date and time and enable set time automatically. Now if we go back and open our browser, reload the page, it should load properly. And the same is with our Google Play Store. We can press on sign in and we should see the login screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.